Wanchain prioritizes security and decentralization. Their bridges mean no centralized custodian.
Wanchain is a decentralized blockchain interoperability solution. The platform's vision is to connect the world's isolated blockchain platforms. Wanchain is also the only platform that facilitates truly decentralized cross-chain transactions between isolated heterogeneous blockchain networks. Wanchain's cross-chain service already supports Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Moonriver, Bitcoin, XRP Ledger, Polkadot, Avalanche, and EOS.io. Additionally, Wanchain offers the first decentralized direct bridge connecting Bitcoin and Ethereum. That means no custodian. The experts are unanimous in their Wanchain price forecasts for 2024. Everybody expects Wanchain's price to grow by the end of that year. Wallet Investor predicts the price growth reaching $0.220212. According to TradingBeast's research, Wanchain's price can go up to $0.265342.